Here's me trying to figure out how to use this camera. I don't even know how to hold it. How are you mean to like, is it even filming? Wow, it's gonna take a while to get used to. Like, I don't even know how to.
Toddler?
And a child. And through here we have the bunk rooms. Oh, my finger's in the way the whole time, whoops. And there's a bee at my face. Whoa! Raya, what are you doing?
Oh gosh, did you just see it? I am tidying up glass.
Thank you.
And where did that glass come from?
The jar. I don't know. It's funny. It's, well, me. Like, ow!
Oh, ow.
Look at my toe. I like walk perfectly. I don't want
Yeah, it still hurt you.
foot in my content. You are so welcome. Hello, bee. Everybody see the bee. Do you like my pants, bee? Beautiful. Do not go up my top. Raya, there's a bee on me.
You want me to take it off?
I don't know. He's just hanging on my camera bag.
Hey, he's just hanging out. Hey, sexy solar panels.
Yeah, look at the sexy solar panels.
I really admire and envy your coordination.
Yeah, that's
I've always wanted to play soccer or basketball or something, but every time I did, no one wanted to be on their team.
Look, I am reunited with my favourite piece of art. Last time I came and stayed in this cabin, I forgot this piece of art. It is my favourite piece of art, and ironically, it's the friend that I came with to the cabin. She made this piece of art, and it accepted that I lost it, and then I just found it in the woodpile, and I've just never been so happy to be reunited with it. It's just so cool. Okay, everybody, we're putting it in the box. Walking in the forest, going on a mission with my friends. Whoa, that's bright. Chasing the sun, going across the whoa, you gotta.
Aww. It's the pretties. We're in a nice place.
The pretties are Beckers.
Does this have a filter on it?
A filter?
Yeah. I feel like my skin's
It looks really good.
like smooth and like
Wow, yeah.
makeup-atized.
That's a good word. I am makeup-atized.
Makeup-atized. Look, there's the fellows.
Friends.
Friends.
Look, I can hold them.
And he...
Wait, we'll high five them. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed your head. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait,
I can't look at
3, 2,
the
1.
depth perception. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
This is my attempt at trying to give a 360-degree view of all around me.
Tell you. As one.
Wait, I can't see the depth. Yeah. That's Jake Johnson, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
We're waking up.
Dream of Philip. Wasn't gonna start rapping, it was just
Start a new track. Oh, 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 waking up, waking up.
got my job.
Oh, waking up, waking up. Oh, oh, don't occupy your love.
Wait, no, that's upside down. What am I doing?
Love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. You cannot wait, I'm sure. Do 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 do.
We've got Raya to the rescue with her rock.
Rescue.
I know,
Rescue
it's-
mission. 1, 2, 1, 2.
A rescue of Rayas.
Rescue of Rayas!
Oh, that's a nice one.
Woohoo!
This works.
Mine is not the same, maybe.
Okay, not
Can I
right.
change this
Well, you actually can do a rave. It's. Oh, that's cool lighting. Banana tree coffee bean.
But I'm not done yet because I don't have a tree. Favorite song, just go ahead, let your head down. Sci-fi machines, I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head you. Gotta love that Afro hair. All they say the same. Don't you hesitate, girl. Put your records on. Tell me your favorite song.
Oh, that's cool.
Your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. You cannot wait, I'm sure.
And then you want to get the flat note pliers, which I don't have in the kit. Raya, can you pass me the flat note pliers? The flat thing.
Sing a song, it was a duet.
I was so for it. I was so here for it.
Mayonnaise on the bread. There's a lot of mayonnaise on my bread. Mayonnaise on my bread.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Just had a thought. So wrapping it that way, and then those ones at the top, away from where you want it to bend. Trying to find a way to.
Textiles and
Yeah,
I think to just like see that with like people that are
Cool.
kind of